In previous videos, we've dived into the different components on the surface of the law of attraction, such as the clarity, the affirmations, believing, the importance of believing. In this video, I just want you to relax, literally relax, and daydream. This video is basically about visualization. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today at Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been made exclusively for you for the purpose of assisting you in navigating through any relationship challenges. Let's talk about visualization. Visualization, in a nutshell, it's a process of daydreaming. It's a process of, bringing that which you want into your present, into your reality. And it's done in a very easy, effortlessly way. And it's probably one of the best components for me as far as the law of attraction, because I love to daydream. I daydream not only about things that are extremely important to me, but just, when I'm going on a trip, I can sort of visualize what's going on, what I want to do. And it just brings such relaxation. It brings such happiness to me. And it's interesting. And when I look back, many of the things that I daydreamed about actually materialize. So I think it's really, really important to pay a little attention to this. Find a nice, comfortable place, the best place that you have. Disconnect from your phones, disconnect from anything, social media, what have you. That in and of itself is a challenge at times, but it's doable because you can convince yourself you're going to do it, because right now you're going to visit that which you want, that what makes you happy, that is your ultimate goal. And what you do is you close your eyes and you start daydreaming as if things were literally unfolding before you. Almost, though, referring to them as a history. It's happened. It's done. You do not, in any shape or form, take this opportunity to say, oh my gosh, why did she leave me? What did I do wrong? It's been 3 months. We've broken up for 3 months, and attract all that negative energy. No, daydreaming is about bringing in your Cinderella story, your knight in shining armor story. It's about creating that dream and making it a reality. And you have to believe that you're together again, literally. And not about, he said, I'm sorry, she said she'll never do this. No, we're together, we're house hunting. We're doing wonderful things together. We've made it work. We've both realized how much we need each other, how much we complement each other, how much we love spending time together. And we visualize it as though it has happened. Very important. So it's interesting. Think about it this way. When you watch an amazing series on Netflix, you just saw something that, brought out such emotion, such happiness, such love, joy, wonderful. And you want to share it with your best friend, with your lover, with whomever. You start getting more excited along the way as you start unfolding the storyline of that particular series. This is exactly what we do with visualization. We start slowly. They're here. They're in our arms. We're making breakfast. We're doing something that's exciting. We're both, just on the same vibe. Then you take it a little bit further. It was wonderful. You embraced. It was perfect. We're planning our trip together. I wonder, should it be Greece or Bali? Whatever. Or the Grand Canyon, or Key West, or your neighboring town, wherever it might be that brings joy to you. but you have to visualize it as though you're planning it. You milk this feeling of happiness. You know, happiness is such an important element in our energy field. When we're happy, everything seems possible. We hardly are in a joyful mood and say, oh, that's not going to happen. No, the world is our oyster. We can do whatever it is. It's our playground. That's the type of emotion that we have to start feeling as we visualize being back with our exes. We have to remember how we laughed together. Laugh by yourself. I mean, you're alone. No one's going to think you're crazy. It's okay. The point is to bring that energy level up, to make yourself believe that it is your reality. And once again, belief is a habit of thought. You can believe that they're never going to come back, or you can believe that they are. It's up to you. It takes the effort. Do you want to just go ahead and say, they're not going to come back? Move on. It's fine. You've got that right. I don't think that's what's going to bring you the happiness, though. I think that the happiness comes when you are already looking at our channel. It's because you're hoping for that miracle. And honestly, the miracle is at your fingertips through manifestation. But you have to prepare yourself to be able to do that. So one of the very important parts is after we have this amazing imaginary date of sorts with our ex, planning our present, our future. Very important, just let it go. Let it go. There is so much power in relaxation and releasing resistance. You see, because if you don't release resistance, it's almost like that veil that we put, which deters them from coming back because our energy fields are in contrast. We need to just release resistance. We need to believe within ourselves that yes, everything I visualized is my truth. Now, everything we do in life, if we come in to whatever project, you're an architect, you decide you're going to submit certain renderings, but as you're doing them, oh, I don't think that structural wall should be there, and I don't think that this should be there, and I don't think that that's going to be there, you're in trouble. Now, obviously, you have to do your due diligence and everything, but you also have to have faith and believe in yourself. And up to a certain extent, embrace your amazingness. Remind yourself that your ex loved you at one time, that you were as exciting to them as they were to you. Visualize, remind yourself of that. Let's bring it back to the present, to the future. Remember to please hit the subscribe button below to your channel. This is your channel. It's done exclusively for you. It's all about you. Please put any comments in the section below as well regarding this particular video or any other video. I will be sure to look at each and every comment and respond in a timely fashion. Coach Alex, Adrian, Natalie, Danny, Priyanka, myself, we are all here waiting to assist you, to guide you, to provide a roadmap, to bring to fruition your goal of getting your ex back. Please book a session with me. It would be my pleasure to elaborate on visualization, on the clarity, on dreaming, on anything that has to do with law of attraction or more. And help you. You're not alone. You've got a team working for you. You've got a tremendous amount of content that you have access to. You have a library of videos at Love Advice TV. You don't have to do this alone. You're part of our family. And for that, we are here to always help you with the ultimate goal of getting your ex back. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.